motto: quality and service. Our products in 1.1 kV low voltage, 3.3 to 33 kV high voltage, power and control cables, industrial flexible cables, domestic cables. Our vision: we envisage to deliver products of highest quality and at the same time ensuring utmost customer satisfaction with prompt and personalized service through our own countrywide marketing and distribution network. Our company, Gloster Cables Limited, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. Gloster Cables Limited was incorporated in 1995 with Fort Gloster Industry Limited as one of the equity participants. Not only have we inherited the Gloster brand name, but also the highly acclaimed manufacturing standards of Fort Gloster Industries. Since then, Gloster Cables Limited has been climbing up the ladder of excellence, moving towards excellence. Gloster Cables Limited is located on the National Highway 7, about 35 kilometers from Secunderabad. The plant is situated in an area of 41,000 square meters, divided into two manufacturing units. The built-up area of Unit 1 is 10,000 square meters, while the Unit 2 occupies 13,000 square meters of built-up area. The infrastructure and the production facilities in the plant are designed to meet the client expectations and also the international standards. We at Gloster Cables believe in delivering quality products and in providing prompt and efficient services to the clients. Hence, we never compromise on the quality of raw materials. We ensure that all raw materials are sourced from those vendors who have passed through the stringent vendor selection process, no matter what the quoted price is. Here are some of our raw material vendors. We import cross-linked polyethylene insulating compound from Dow Chemicals, specially for the manufacture of 33 kV grade high voltage cables. Gloster Cables has an impressive product range. We produce 1.1 kV grade PVC and cross-linked polyethylene single and multi-core low voltage power and control cables, and 3.3 to 33 kV grade cross-linked polyethylene single and multi-core power cables. In addition, we also manufacture special application cables such as copper conducting cables for both low and high voltage, industrial flexible cables, aerial bunched cables for both high and low voltage, airport lighting cables, cables for other special applications. We have a long list of clients which includes both the units of the plant are installed with the latest and state-of-the-art equipment like wire drawing machines, annealing furnace, stranding and bunching machines, PVC and cross-linked polyethylene extruders, spark testing machines, laying up machines, armoring machines, PVC outer sheath, cable rewinding machines. In order to ensure quality, low voltage cables will have to pass through a series of tests, namely routine tests, type tests and acceptance tests. Conductor resistance test and high voltage tests are known as routine tests. Type tests are carried out on samples drawn from every production lot to check whether all parameters are in conformity with IS specifications. Acceptance tests are conducted in the presence of the external inspecting authorities to get their approval. We produce our low voltage cables with PVC and cross-linked polyethylene insulations. While the PVC cables are produced according to IS 1554, XLPE cables are produced according to IS 7098. All the cables produced by Gloster have ISI certifications. PVC as insulating and sheathing material is very strong and resistant to water, oils and chemicals. PVC black compound can resist ultraviolet degradation. Cross-linked polyethylene as insulation material has certain advantages like low on dielectric loss, high power rating, resistant to moisture, chemicals and corrosive gases. It also has the capacity to withstand localized temperatures. The power cables are made from pure aluminium and the control cables are made from annealed high conductivity copper. All conductors conform to the IS 8130 standard. High-quality PVC base compound is used for insulating power cables and high-quality cross-linked polyethylene compound is used for insulation of XLPE cables. Multi-core cables are laid up as per the color scheme and the interstices are filled up if needed to make the cables cylindrical. All cables with 2 or more cores are provided with a common cover called inner sheath made of PVC compound or thermoplastic. Multi-core cables are provided with armoring, which is made up of galvanized raw steel wire over the inner sheath. Outer sheath is extruded over the armoring. This is always black in color to resist the outdoor exposure. Core cables are identified by the color scheme of insulation like Core 1, red or black or yellow or blue or natural. Core 2, red and black. Core 3, red, yellow and blue. Core 3.5. In 3.5 core cables, reduced neutral is black. Core 4, red, yellow, blue, black. Core 5, red, yellow, blue, black, grey. Cables with more than 5 cores will have 2 adjacent cores, blue and yellow, and the remaining cores in grey. We manufacture control cables up to 61 cores. Tested and proven cables packed in wooden drums are supplied to the clients. Special drums are also supplied if required by the client. Gloster Cables manufactures high voltage cables with cross-linked polyethylene insulation. Compared to PVC, cross-linked polyethylene has excellent thermal properties which make it ideal material for high voltage cable insulation. Our high voltage cables have high continuous current rating, high short circuit rating and high emergency load capacity. The conductors are made from EC grade stranded aluminum wires. Both insulation and insulation shielding are accomplished in a single operation using a special process. In case of multi-core cables, cores are stranded together and provided with a common covering of plastic tape wrapping. Galvanized steel wire armoring is provided over the inner sheath. A tough outer sheath of heat-resistant PVC compound as per IS 5831 is extruded over the armoring. The core identification complies with the requirements of IS 7098. For quality assurance, the high voltage cables also pass through type and routine tests in accordance with IS 7098. Every length of high voltage cable manufactured by us shall pass through the conductor resistance test, partial discharge test and high voltage test. We are planning to add some new products to our range like elastomeric insulated cables, mining cables, extra high voltage cables, turnkey cabling projects. Our endeavor always is to deliver products of excellent quality backed by efficient and prompt services. Our dedicated branch offices spread across India in places like Bangalore, Chennai, Cochin, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Vadodara and Vizag ensure that our customers are provided with the requisite services. This is not just a rhetoric. These words are fully backed by our strengths: sophisticated machinery, triple line extrusions for high voltage cables, in-house production of PVC compounds. We manufacture our conductors with uni-lay unidirectional process for better compactness, in-house facility for quality assurance tests, inspection and testing at every stage of production, 1000 kVA DG set for uninterrupted power supply. Above all, a band of employees who are highly motivated, whose morale is always at a high point, and who have the grit and determination to achieve difficult targets. That is about us, of course, very briefly. Want to know more? Please visit our website www.glostercable.com. You can always contact us on 040-2753-4985 or 86. Thank you.